34 degrees Celsius at 11 o'clock in the morning. Feels like 47, and we are probably getting 50 degrees Celsius feels like temperatures today. That's of course insane. When I'm looking at my top content at the moment, then the video which is watched most of the time is about energy efficient buildings in hot climates. You might have seen the video, I will link it in the up there. But this is definitely telling me that a lot of people at the moment are suffering from the Asian heat wave, and they try to find some solutions to this. But what can the solutions be other than running the fans to maximum speed? And air conditioners are running at maximum. There is around 1 billion people living in the tropics, and the tropics are actually not the perfect habitat for humans. Most of the humans on this planet live in moderate climates with annual mean temperatures of around 13 to 15 degrees. The temperatures here in the tropics are far out of this range. This is how buildings of simple ties are built. It's just thin walls, no air conditioners, and gaps and holes above windows. So they are traditionally banking on low temperatures during the night time, that these buildings, which are substantially heating up during the day, are also cooling down in the night again. So what can most of the people do? Retrofitting such buildings is not even possible, because you need first of all build an energy efficient house before you start installing air conditioners. Otherwise you're just blowing out your money through the non-existing walls and windows. Here in rural Thailand, an average person will earn around $300 a month. And if they have a house with air conditioners, they could easily spend $100 for electricity when it is hot season and during a heat wave like this, which is now occurring already almost every year. The electricity bill can go into astronomical areas. So at the end everybody is deciding to shut down the equipment just to save money. But this will of course then be a health issue at some point. Countries and regions where entire populations are living from hand to mouth, which are just waiting that the government is solving their problems, are in a very bad position to solve all these challenges which are coming. So where should they go if they have to migrate? How should they act if they don't have the capacity to even buy something? What can help them to survive in these conditions? You will have to build solid walls using highly efficient materials like the aircrete, which we have used, and you will have to offset the energy consumption by using your own energy. Solar panels on whatever place you have available. A simple hybrid system together with a battery. This will be the minimum necessary to live in such places in future. But the audience of my channel is fully aware of all this anyways. So yes guys, it's not going to work without investment into highly efficient construction and into independent energy solutions for your home. Thank you for watching this video. Comment how you are affected from this heat wave at the moment. Can you deal with it? and I see you next time. Stay safe.
Hi, I am Sophia. Let me tell you something about humans. Human bodies are incredibly adaptable machines, but they have limits. Our core body temperature hovers around 37 degrees Celsius, and to maintain this, our bodies release heat into the environment mainly through sweating and blood circulation near the skin. Now, when the ambient temperature rises, especially in those humid, sweltering tropical regions, our natural cooling methods just can't keep up. The sweat doesn't evaporate effectively, and the blood circulating near the surface of our skin stays warmer. This prevents our body from shedding excess heat, and that's when things start to get dangerous. Heat-related illnesses begin mild, like heat cramps and heat exhaustion, but can quickly escalate to heat stroke, which is potentially fatal. Symptoms of heat stroke include confusion, rapid heartbeat, headache, and even unconsciousness. It's serious business. Air conditioning helps manage these risks by providing a controlled environment where our bodies don't have to fight as hard to cool down. In many tropical regions, temperatures often soar beyond 37 degrees Celsius, with insane humidity levels to match. Now, the problem with this new annually recurring extreme heat waves is that temperatures during the nighttime will not drop down to a comfortable level where you could get some rest. Without air conditioning, these conditions can become not just uncomfortable, but downright lethal. With global temperatures on the rise, the demand for cooling systems is skyrocketing, which also increases energy consumption and subsequently carbon emissions.